Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile pic in ChatGPT from a scrap selfie or crap selfie of you or a random picture that you have saved of yourself. So step 1 is just go to the ChatGPT and just open a new chat and just click on this plus button, add photos, and just choose the photo. Now I have a random photo that I choose from internet. Just choose the photo of yourself, and once you choose the photo, let it upload. It might take a few seconds, and once it is uploaded, just start writing down the instructions that you want to give the instructions, like make sure to add as much details about the picture, like convert it to a professional picture, adding all the professional clothes, and the make sure to keep all the details same, which like the face features and the background as well. If you want to change it, that is your choice, you can change it as well. Now as you can see, convert it to a professional LinkedIn profile picture. Make sure the face details are same, just add good clothes, looking professional, and once you write down the instructions, you can just add as much details. It will give you the best results if you add a proper prompt and proper details. And once you write down, just click on send, and it will start generating. So it might take a few seconds. Let it generate and I will be back. So let it load, and once it is done, so this load, it might, I have a free plan, that's why it is taking a while. Otherwise, if you have a paid plan, so you will get it instantly. Now once you get the picture, as you can see, like it turned it into a professional good looking guy with in a proper suit. Now you can just simply click on the picture and download it and just use it wherever you want to use. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.